Hi children, today we are going to learn about how to write numeral if we give number name. Okay? See the heading here, write the numerals for the following numbers with the comma in proper places. Okay? Here what is the question? 1,07,080 number name given. So we have to write numeral for that. Okay? How to write? Here the number name started with lakhs. Right, so write down the place values from ones to lakhs. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s and lakhs. Now write down the numeral for the given number name. How to write? See here, how many lakhs are there? Yes, how many lakhs? 1 lakh. So this one write down in the lakhs position. Okay, and 7,000. How many thousands are there? 7,000. So 7,000. Okay, 7 write down in thousand place. How many thousands are there? Only 7,000. So 7 write down in thousands place. Okay, and 80. And 80. 80 means what? 8 tens makes 80. Right? So 8 write down in the tens place. Remaining these empty places are filled with 0. Here no 10,000 place is there, no hundreds place is there, and no ones are there. Right? So this is 107080. So place the commas. Place the commas now. Ones, tens, hundreds makes which period? Yes, ones period. Right? So ones period. This is ones period. Ones column, tens column and 100 columns makes ones period. And thousands and 10,000s makes which period? Yes, thousands period. Right? Next, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Lakhs period, no? Last. So lakhs and 10 lakhs. So this is lakhs period. Here we have no 10 lakhs place value. So I didn't write anything here. Okay. These are the periods in a number. Okay. These are the periods. Ones, thousands, lakhs. Now separate the periods. Ones, thousands. Separate these two periods. So comma where comes? Here. Right. Next separate thousands and lakhs period. So comma where comes? Again here. After 3 digits 1 comma come. Next after 2 digits 1 comma comes. Right? After ones period 1 comma comes. After thousands period 1 comma comes. So this is what? 1 comma 0 7 comma 0 8 0. This is the numeral for given number name. Okay? How to write numeral if we give number name? First check the number name started with which place value. So place values write down from 1 to the given place value. Okay. Next to form the periods. After that separate the periods by using comma. Okay. Then we will get numeral. Okay. We will take more examples on this topic. Okay. Here we have 2 more questions. 3,11,363. Okay. Here also the number name started with which place value? Lakhs place value. So write down the place values ones to lakhs, or else form the 3 periods, ones period, thousands period and lakhs period, and try to write down the number. Okay. See here I have written ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So write down the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Now write down the numeral. Here how many lakhs? 3 lakhs. Only 3 lakhs. So 3 write down in lakhs place. Okay. Next 11,000. 11. Okay. 11,000. 11. Okay. 11 write down in thousands period. Okay. Next 300. 300 means in a hundreds place write down 3. And 63. 60 means 6 tens make 60. So 6 write down in tens place and 3. 3 means 3 ones. Right? This is the numeral for given number name. Now separate the periods. Ones, thousands. So separate these two periods. So comma here comes next thousands, lakhs are there. So separate these two periods with comma. Okay? 3 lakhs 11,363. Okay? Next see here 16 lakh 5,304. Okay? 16 lakh 5,304. Here also the number name started with which place value? Yes, lakhs place value. So form the three periods, ones period, thousands period and lakhs period, or else write down the place values from ones to lakhs place. Okay? Now write. See here I have written three periods, ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So write down the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now try to write this number here. 16 lakh. Here how many lakhs? 16. 16 write down. Okay, 16 write down in lakhs period. Okay, next to 5,000. Here how many thousands are there? 5,000. So 5 write down in thousands place. Okay, next 300. Here in hundreds place write down 3 and 4. 4 ones makes 4. So 4 write down in ones place. Here no 10,000s are there and no tens are there. So write down in that place as 0. Okay, 1605304. This is 16 lakh 5,304. So comma where comes after completing ones period and after completing thousands period. This is 16 lakh 5,304. Okay. See the next question, 6 lakh 5,700. Here also the number name started with lakhs. So form the three periods, ones, thousands, lakhs. Okay. See here I have written place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Three periods, ones, thousands and lakhs. Now write down the number. How many lakhs here? 6 lakh. Only 6. So 6 write down in lakhs place. Okay. Now thousands. How many thousands are there? 5,000. Only 5,000. So 5 write down where? Yes, in thousands place. So 10,000's value 0. Okay, here no 10,000's value is there. So write down the 0. Okay. Next and 700. 700. How many hundreds? 700. So 7 write where? Yes, in hundreds place. 700. Here no tens are there and no ones are there. So write down the zeros in that places. So now place the commas. Ones, thousands. Separate these two periods, thousands and lakhs. Separate these two periods. 6 lakh 5,700. This is the numeral for given number name. Next see here 9 lakh 14,362. Here also form the three periods, ones, thousands and lakhs. Write down the place values from 1 to 10 lakhs. Here how many lakhs are there? 9 lakh. Right? So 9 write down in lakhs place. So 10 lakhs place becomes, here no 10 lakhs place value is there. Okay? 14,000. 1 4. So write down in thousands period. Next 300. Write down 3 in hundreds place and 62. 60 means 6. 6 write down in tens place. 2 ones makes 2. So 2 write down in ones place. Okay, try to write this one yourself only. Hope you understand this class children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.